Hello everyone, welcome back to SANTECH Channel. In today's video, we are going to understand Sophos Firewall Routing and how it helps manage network traffic efficiently. Routing is one of the most important components in any network. It determines how traffic travels from one network to another. In Sophos Firewall, routing ensures that data packets reach their correct destination using the best possible path. Sophos Firewall supports different types of routing, such as static routing, dynamic routing, and policy-based routing. Let's start with static routing. Static routes are manually configured routes that tell the firewall exactly where to send traffic. For example, if you have multiple internal networks or branch offices, you can create static routes so the firewall knows where to send the packets. Static routing is simple, stable, and easy to configure. However, if your network changes frequently, managing static routes can become difficult. Next is dynamic routing. Dynamic routing automatically learns routes using routing protocols such as OSPF, RIP, or BGP. These protocols allow routers and firewalls to exchange routing information with each other. With dynamic routing, the firewall automatically updates routes when the network changes. This is very useful for large enterprise networks or multiple branch environments. Another powerful feature in Sophos is policy-based routing. Policy-based routing allows administrators to control traffic based on specific rules. For example, you can route VoIP traffic through one ISP and general internet traffic through another ISP. This helps improve network performance, bandwidth management, and reliability. Sophos Firewall also integrates routing with SD-WAN, allowing intelligent path selection between multiple internet connections. This means the firewall can automatically choose the best route based on latency, packet loss, and performance. To configure routing in Sophos, first log in to the Sophos Web Admin Console. Then go to Routing. From there, you can configure static routes, policy routes, and dynamic routing protocols depending on your network requirement. Proper routing configuration ensures better connectivity, optimized traffic flow, and improved network performance. That's a quick overview of Sophos routing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SANTECH Channel for more Sophos Firewall tutorials